In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log hours, time, or work details under a ticket in Jira. If you need to keep accurate records of the time you've spent on a task, Jira makes that process simple once you know where to look. Logging work is useful for tracking progress, updating estimates, and giving your team visibility into what has already been completed and what still remains. To begin, open Jira and select the task you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct ticket before entering any work details, since everything you log will be attached to that specific issue. Once the ticket is open, look for the three-dot menu. This is where Jira keeps additional actions related to the issue. Click the three dots to open that menu and then choose Log Work. This will open the work log form where you can enter the details of the time you've spent. In the time spent field, enter the amount of time you worked on the ticket. This should reflect the actual hours or minutes used for that task. Be as accurate as possible, especially if your team uses time tracking for planning, reporting, or billing. Next, enter the time remaining. This tells Jira how much work is still left on the issue after the time you just logged. If you've made good progress, but the task is not fully complete, this is where you can update the remaining estimate so the ticket stays realistic and current. After that, enter the date started. This is the date, and in some cases the time when the work began. Adding the correct start date helps maintain a clear timeline, especially when work is logged after the fact instead of immediately. Then, fill in the work description. Use this area to briefly explain what you worked on. A clear description is helpful for anyone reviewing the ticket later, including teammates, managers, or clients. Keep it concise but meaningful so the log adds context, not just time. Once all the fields are complete, click Save. Jira will then attach that work log to the ticket, and your time entry will become part of the issue's history. As a quick final tip, it's a good habit to review your entries before saving. Double check the time spent, the remaining estimate, and the description to make sure everything is accurate. That way, your Jira tickets stay organized, useful, and up to date. And that's how to log hours, time, or work details under a ticket in Jira.